Hello everyone and welcome to this month's Stitch Fix unboxing. I am super excited as always to open up my Stitch Fix. It is going to be a mix of preview items that I selected and ones that I did not, so we shall see how that worked out. And also, I am just super excited because we got a new sponsor on today's video. Yay! I am super excited and want to give a big thank you to the Money Optimist for sponsoring this Stitch Fix unboxing. Money Optimist offers the tools and resources that you need to take control of your finances and achieve financial independence, something that I would love to work towards, and it's something that I have struggled with. So like I said, I'm super excited to be able to take this course, this masterclass from the Money Optimist. I hate how taboo it is to talk about personal finances, and also just how much of a struggle it is to really get into it and not only get control of the basics but also work towards, like I said, financial independence. Being someone who has quite a large financial debt from student loans over her head all the time, it's so overwhelming. They don't teach you this stuff in school, which is really frustrating in and of itself, but thankfully, there is the Money Optimist here to help us out. Founder and money coach Kyle Jansen has created a new 2-hour masterclass, like I said, leveraging his past experience of trying to leverage through personal finance. And like I said, gives you the knowledge and tools to help you on your own path towards financial independence. The class provides you with a tailored 30-day action plan to help you reach financial independence, an automated budgeting planner, a debt repayment plan, and your own financial independence calculations and retirement timeline so you can stay on track and reach your money goals. And I just love that it includes ways to keep you happy while you're on that track to financial independence. You know, it's not like you have to completely cut out every single thing that makes you happy in life. You know, the extras. You don't have to consider them extras. You can actually budget them in and still work your way towards becoming independent financially. You know, set up a good retirement fund, pay off your student loans, all that kind of stuff. And if you aren't satisfied with the class for some reason, they are offering students a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee, no questions asked. And he's got a super special offer for you all, my viewers. The first 10 of you all to buy the masterclass using my link down below will get 50% off of the class, plus a free 30-minute coaching session. That's just $99 to create your own personalized financial independence plan. So a huge thank you once again to Kyle and the Money Optimist. Like I said, I am so excited that they wanted to sponsor this video and work with me here and help me out on my own financial independence journey, and you all as well. So thank you once again, and now on to Stitch Fix. So as I said, I've got my Stitch Fix. You guys also said you wanted to see what my choice options were each month, so I can definitely let you guys see what those were. Took screenshots on my phone. First off, we had this striped v-neck top, which is perfectly fine, but I guess these days I look for pieces that are a little bit more unique for my wardrobe, so I passed on this one. I loved this sweater. This is so cute. It's a popcorn sweater, so you can see it's got the texture on it. It is striped. I do love a stripe, and yeah, I couldn't pass that up. So this one I definitely chose to get in my box. I also chose to get this one. I love the color purple, and it looks like a nice lightweight hoodie like this one. I basically live in these things, so this would be a nice addition to my wardrobe. Like I said, something that I would wear all the time, so this was definitely chosen. We had these booties that I thought were really cute. Knowing my wide feet, I don't know, I feel like Stitch Fix does not cater towards the wide-footed, even though it is an option to put in your profile, you know, the size of your feet. And I feel like the MIA brand, the Mia brand, however you pronounce it, they don't run wide, like, at all. So I passed on those, even though they are cute. This top, I really considered it. I think it's really cute. It's got the thumb hole cutouts. It's got some details at the bottom of the shirt that make it a little special, but it's still, you know, pretty plain. I passed on it though, not only because of the price, almost $100. I can't be spending $100 on a top at this point in my life. I also was a little nervous. I wasn't sure about the color, that it would work well on my skin, and yeah, those were the main reasons, the color and that price tag though. So yeah, I passed on this one even though it hurt to do so. This top, you might be surprised, I actually chose to get this top, I'm pretty sure if I am remembering correctly, this blouse. It's out of my comfort zone, but like still something that I could maybe see looking cute on me. It looks like it's got some polka dot details. It looks like the polka dots are kind of textured on there, and it looks like it's gonna be a little cropped, but something about this. It could work on me, I'm not sure, but we're gonna give it a try. I don't know. I thought I would try and push myself with that one. We had this perfectly fine pink striped shirt. Nothing offensive about it. You know, if I found this at a thrift store, I would honestly probably get it if it looked good on me. But that price tag, once again, $108? Nope, no can do. So we passed on that one. We also have this kind of, you know, blousey top, but $168. Plus it looks a little cropped. You know, the buttons down the front worry me that it's gonna be too small. I don't know, the elastic on the sleeves might bug me just since it's not a long sleeve. And just overall, it wasn't worth trying, especially for the price. I knew I would never spend that much on a top. And then the same thing went for the couple of pairs of jeans that were offered to me. Perfectly fine pairs of jeans, but like $200, and I own light wash jeans, so like I don't need these. And same with these ones. They look like they'd be cute. I love a good rip at the knee, but $200. I can't do it. I cannot do it. So yeah, those were my preview choices. And so like I said, I picked 3 of the things, but as you guys would know if you watch Stitch Fix videos, you get 5 items in your box. So 2 of the items, I have no idea what it's gonna be. I feel like the box this month is a bit longer than it usually is, so I don't know what's gonna be in here, but it makes me think it's gonna be something a little different than the usual. Time will tell, we shall see, and we shall see together. As you guys know, I do always have my affiliate linked down below, so if you do want to try out Stitch Fix for yourself, I love them. Like I said, I love that it helps to push me out of my comfort zone sometimes with pieces, things that I would personally never choose on my own. I end up loving. I would say probably like half of my wardrobe is full of Stitch Fix items. They last really well, the ones that I've picked out anyways, and I really like getting it every other month. It's 20 bucks. The 20 bucks does get put towards your purchase. If you do purchase anything, if it doesn't, they keep the 20 bucks for the styling fee. You also get a 25% off of everything discount if you purchase all 5 items in the box. It comes with a pre-stamped mailer bag for any returns and exchanges. Like I said, I love Stitch Fix. My referral link is down below. Like I said, it does earn me kickback, but it also gets you, I am fairly positive, if it's the same as it always been, it'll get you your first box for free. Basically, they waive the styling fee. Unless you purchase anything, obviously, then you have to pay for the items. But yes, so first things first, I've got this sweater that I am so excited about. It feels so nice and soft. I love these colors. It's plain, but like this terracotta and then the nice soft peach. It just looks so cozy and soft and warm. I feel like I own one top from this brand, this Bobo brand. You guys love it. I feel like I get comments all the time when I wear it, and I do too. It's like this very long, it's a plain long sleeve shirt, but it's purple and it's tie-dyed. It's got the thumb holes in it and it's really comfy. And so hopefully this sweater will end up being the same. So excited about that, to try that on. Okay, and it looks like no accessories this time. I don't know why the box was a different size, but it was. So let's rip this open. Let's see what else I got other than the other 2 items that I've already showed you, both of which are right up top, it looks like. We've got the purple top. Yep, it feels nice and lightweight. Hoodie, Market and Spruce. I feel like anytime I get something from them, it's good quality, lasts a very long time. I've had no problems with it, so very excited about this top. We have also got the black top, which fingers crossed crossed. Like I said, I mean, I don't mind trying new things, so we shall see. Yes, very cute. The polka dots are textured on there, so it is a big poofy see-through sheer sleeve. It's got the stretch material around the boobs, and it's got the same sheer polka dot frill at the bottom. So what I was picturing this with would be like a little tight mini skirt type of a thing, but could also look cute with some high-waisted jeans if I'm feeling comfortable with my tummy that day. So now the other two items, we've got something from Fortune and Ivy. This is so not my color. This oatmeal, but ooh, cute. Ooh, sad. We definitely have a pull in the sweater. That's sad to see. I would like to see if I could exchange that if I end up keeping everything, but very cool, something different, you know. Even though this isn't my color, I would actually keep this if it looks cute on me because it's different. It feels lightweight but soft and warm. It looks like it's got maybe a little bit tight on the collar there, but nice roomy sleeves, and it's got this like zigzag pattern on it with this more of a taupey beige at the bottom, and it comes up onto one of the sleeves. That's actually very cute. Love that. And then we've got some light wash denim here. The Curvy Perfect Vintage Jean from Madewell. Oh, these are a 20W. I don't know, maybe that's an 18 for them. You know, everyone's size is different. These do look large for me though. Curious why that must have been an error to send me a 20, but at the same time, no. I wonder if it's about the waist, because that fits around my neck, if you don't know that jean trick. But yeah, it just looks like kind of a looser fitting, wider legged, ripped, distressed light wash jeans. So interesting. Let's try things on. All right, so these pants had to have been an error, right? I mean, they're utterly too big for me, but yet they almost fit around the stomach, so I don't know what that's all about. But as you can see, like in the crotch, like their crotch is down here. My crotch is right here. So these jeans are an absolute no from me. I mean, I don't even know, what does my butt situation look like? Does it even look like I have a butt in these jeans? Probably not. I doubt it. Anyways, the way that this is feeling. But anywho, this sweater is so cute. Like this is me in a sweater. Come on, you guys know that. The stripes, cute, like they hit me in good spots. I feel like this one around the waist really like defines the waist without the top actually being too tight. It's got a high-low to it, which is cool, and it's nice and comfy. It's really soft. I love the texture on this, the colors and everything. Like this sweater is just, this is Cassie. This is very much a Cassie sweater. So huge win on the sweater. I love it. Now, let's try on some more tops. Yup, this purple sweater checks off all my boxes too. I love the little strings and whatnot. It's got a pocket. Not that I really need that, but like it's there. That's cool. It's got this detailing down the back. Just a nice stripe. Adds some detail, you know? So this is a good top. Like I said, nice and lightweight. This is like my perfect length of top. I love it when the sleeves come down to the palms like that for whatever reason. It's very comforting. But yeah, this is absolutely a Cassie top. Look at these jeans.
No.
Huh? I need to keep them on so I can try on these other things.
They look like I could wear them.
Oh, babe, you could fit into the leg.
They just look like boy jeans, though, is what I'm saying. Like,
but like,
it makes you have no butt. Like,
but look
literally,
at my butt.
No, it took it all away. It gives you negative booties.
What do we think of black?
I like that one.
Polka dotty. That's kind of cute, right?
Yeah.
That's really out of my comfort zone, but that's cute. Right? Maybe? Definitely need a different bra with it. Although that would be the main problem with this top, is what kind of bra do you wear when the sleeve is so low? Would you have to wear a not strapped bra? That would be a problem. Those, I don't own one. I will never own one. But otherwise, I like it. It is, like I said, definitely different for me, but I like it. I like it. What do you guys think? The jeans, I can't get over these jeans. But you get what I was saying? Like, if this was somehow a denim skirt or something, like that could be kind of cute. I don't know. But yeah, this would be a problem, and I feel like I would be pulling at the sleeves all day. Like if they just came up a little more, maybe if the neck was just a little less wide. Otherwise, cute. The idea, cute. And the last sweater, this does nothing for me. Absolutely nothing. This neck is way too high. I would just be pulling at that all day. It's one of the reasons why I always cut my hoodies the way I do, because I hate that feeling on me. And even though I think holding the sweater up and looking at it, this was a cute idea, it doesn't translate onto the body. At least I don't think so. I mean, perfectly nice, lightweight, feels good quality. I like that there's the different texture on it too. Like this has more of a waffle and this is lined. I don't know how you would exactly describe that, but yeah, this is a definite no-go for me. Now, let's look at the prices. All right, so definitely not everything was a winner in that box, that's for sure. Dan wants me to burn the jeans, and I'm not gonna do that because I don't own the jeans, but I will be sending them back. But first, we can all take a look. We can all say, oh, hello, and we can take a look at the prices on these items and see what my stylist had to say about them. Who'd we get? We got Cassie. Welcome back. Happy 42nd fixed day to you. That's insane. Wants to thank me for reviewing my preview pieces. Found a couple to get started. Fabulous. You'd love to see a pair of light wash jeans with something a bit more affordable. They didn't have anything under $100. So basically they didn't have anything affordable, but she wants to know if I like the cut and color. Also added an additional sweater option since she knows that the winter season is not over for us quite yet. That is correct. So let's take a look at those prices. Thank you for styling me, Cassie. And now, price time. The jeans are $138. That is insane. Absolutely not. I am not there in life yet. The beige long sleeve sweater, the last one I tried on, is $50. I will be sending that back. The popcorn sweater is $68. I love it. The purple hoodie is $58. I love it. And the dot blouse is $44. So yes, expensive for two tops for me to keep, but hopefully I will be able to work it into my budget with the Money Optimist. Yay! But truly, you know, like I said, thank you once again to the Money Optimist for sponsoring this video and for helping me to fit in these little extra niceties in my life while still working with my budget and towards financial independence. Thank you guys for wanting to support my channel. If you do want to go ahead and check out that masterclass and everything down below, I would highly suggest it. And also just thank you for watching. And if you want to use my affiliate link, like I said, for Stitch Fix, that is also down below. All of the good things. You can just let me know in the comments how you felt about these pieces. You can let me know anything you want, really. Comments down below. You can also give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, whatever the case may be, down below. And if you're new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe by tippity-tapping the notification bell down below and becoming a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I'd love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!